Dear viewers, you are watching RSB Tech 24 at this moment. I am Razak there with you. Dear viewers, you know that Viber is one of the most important and very useful communicative apps at the moment in the world. Most of the people we can use this app by using video call, audio call, and we can send many documents by these apps. And you know that most of the important and very useful option in these apps that Viber group. By making a Viber group, we can send many options and we can call, we can video call, audio call, and we can send many different documents at a time in this group, and we can see and we can opinion our we can express our opinion at a time in this group. And this group is one of the most important and very useful communicative group. You know that the viewers, in this video I can show to you that how can make a Viber group very easily. Viewers, if you choose my video, you can like, comments, and share my video with your friends, with your nearest, and with your family persons. And you are cordially requested to subscribe my channel RSB Tech 24. The viewers, I know most of the people you are know how can we make a Viber group, but I think many of our people don't know how can we make a Viber group in our device. My video I have presented for these persons, the viewers, to know how can we make a Viber group in our device. To know this process, you are requested to see the video first and last. Dear viewers, let's go. We know how to make an Viber group in our Viber. At first, we have to need to open our Viber apps. Viewers, you see here Viber, and we have to click here to make, and we have to click here for making a group in Viber group. Viewers, you are seeing the lower and right side of the set, and it's a sign, and that sign, and we have to click here. After clicking here, we are seeing a option here, new group. The viewers, we are seeing here as a new group, and we need to click in the new group because we want to make a Viber new group. For this reason, we have to click here. And dear viewers, you are seeing here several friends are here available. You are seeing here, but you are seeing the most of the friends, your Viber friend are available here. If we want to make a group, so we have to collect some friends at a time. That means that means 2 or 3 or 4 and more. You need to collect your friend to make the group. I hope the 1, 2, 3, 4 with 4 accounts I want to make a Viber group. These 4 will be the member of this group. For this reason, if I want to add this friend as a group member, for this for this reason I have to select this. If I want to make the friend or make the account as a Viber member, for this reason I need to select him. And viewers, you are seeing here as a tick mark, or one person is select, and next I want to select another, and another I have selected. That means two members are already selected here, and I want to select it next, and next that means 4 members I have already selected for the group. And next I have to click this tick mark for the group, for making group, and we are seeing here the 4 members. That means I want to make a group, and 4 members there it's ensuring. And dear viewers, you are seeing here that the group is already made. That means group, and 5 members, 4 members, and with me, that means 5 members already in this, are present in this group. Dear viewers, you are seeing here right and upper side of the state in the 3-dot menu, and I have to click here. Next I have to click chat info. Dear viewers, you are seeing here chat info, and in that page we are seeing here, that means a profile picture structure here, and I have to click here, or I may click this pen, open this pen, and I can click any one of this sign of this sign. I am clicking here, and I have seen here a camera as a camera sign. That means you need a that's why we need a picture. That means you need a group picture. Group picture is a identification of a group. For this reason, I want to set a group picture here, and so I need to click on the camera, and after clicking here we are seeing a gallery and camera. If I want a picture by shooting now, for this reason I have to click camera. Otherwise if my another photo is saved in gallery, so I need to open gallery, and my photo already saved in gallery. For this reason I click in gallery, and next time I have to choose a photo for this profile picture. For this reason I have to click in the camera max, because here one of my photo are present. For this reason I have to click camera max, and the viewers, you are seeing here some pictures of mine, and I want to select one of a picture for this group photo, that for a group, and the viewers I want to choose this photo for this group as a profile picture. For this reason I want to click here, and already it's selected here. You are seeing here that photo already present here, and you can structure, you can move it, and you can crop it or crop this photo if it's perfect for so you can select it, save it, and if you default it for this, you can discard it. For this is final. For this reason I want to save here. The viewers, you are loading, we have it may take some seconds. The viewers, you are seeing here this picture is already selected for this group profile photo, and if you want to change this photo, then you may click this camera and you can change it. The viewers, you know that group name is very important thing for a group. For this reason I need to give a name this group. For this reason we have to enter the name. Enter a name here. Dear viewers, you can click here and you can choose a name, because dear viewers, actually if I chose the name Shikdanews 24, at this moment I have to choose the name of this. After choosing this, I have to click this tick mark, and already viewers, you are seeing here that the Shikdanews 24 is already this name of the groups, and profile picture is already present here. Dear viewers, we can add or remove the friend in this group at any time. For this reason I have to click this sign. After this sign, after clicking here, we can add this member in this group, and I will click here, and the viewers, you are seeing here some name, and if you chose any, then you can click the name on the name of this account, and you may add them. And viewers, you are seeing another option here, that if you want to change the group name or profile picture, for this reason you can click here in this pen. After clicking here, you can change in everything. Dear viewers, you are seeing here important things that admin. That means I have made the group. For this reason I am admin of this group, and you can make another person in admin as admin in this group. For this reason you have to click the add admin. After clicking here, you can choose a person as a admin, or 1 or 2 or 4, or every person you may make them admin. For this reason you have to click here. You have to click in this sign. After seeing here, you can click, you can press the tick mark, and he is a admin. That means now 2 persons are admin here at this moment. So it's very important, that in the it's the group. Dear viewers, if you want to leave or if you want to delete the group permanently, so you can click here, click in this option. I want to click here option. Dear viewers, it's learning here that they are requesting you to review the option. If you want to leave or delete the group, then you may click. This group is all will be banished. So I want to leave and delete the group. For this reason I am clicking here. Dear viewers, this group is already banished from this page. You are seeing here there is no group 3024 at this moment. For this reason it is deleted because I have deleted it. Dear viewers, you are seeing that how can we make a very easily in a Viber group in our device. Dear viewers, if you fail to understand the end topics in this video, you may call or you may comment me. The viewers, the video is still that. No more today, and see you next time. Take care.